line extending from 7 miles east of Gallatin to 10 miles south of Nolensville. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Smith County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, eastern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, southern Trousdale County in Middle Tennessee, until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Gallatin to near Columbia, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro, Franklin, Gallatin, Lebanon, Hartsville, Hendersonville, Smyrna, Brentwood, La Vergne, Spring Hill, Mount Juliet, Nolensville, Oak Hill, Lakewood, Thompson Station, Watertown, Hermitage, Walter Hill, Rural Hill, and Antioch. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for